Hey everybody, it's Dr. Max. I am up at Diablo Lake, Diablo Canyon. I'm on the North Cascades Highway. If you know where Winthrop Twisp is, I'm about 40, 50 miles to the west of that on the way towards the coast. So, things of interest. If you look over my left shoulder up towards the peaks there, we've got some bare rock, and you'll see that it's very rounded. This is very recently glaciated. Like some of these glaciers may have just left a couple decades ago. And the weight of the ice has curved over the rock, removed any of the loose material, and just scoured it and left it nice and round. And that scour, then we're on the river. You might see down here the dam. This dam is providing electric power for the city of Seattle. And you'll also notice how bright blue the lake is. That's, again, due to the glaciers. The glaciers pulverize the rock, turn it into a very fine rock flour, silt. It works its way down into the reservoir behind the dam, and it's so fine that it doesn't immediately drop out. It stays up in the water and changes the reflectivity, refraction quality of the water, and you get this dark blue teal color from it. Also, while we're up here, there's a lot going on up here. You know, it's July right now. We haven't had rain in Spokane for months. It's getting to be fire season. So back again, over my left, you'll see some barer parts of the cliffs. Those burned in 2023. You might notice a hint of red rust color in the trees further over. Those survived the fire, but it looks like we're having some real problems with some insect infestations in this area. That's what's going to happen with climate change. As we fail to get our really bitter cold winters, we're not able to kill off the insects, and the bugs just keep working their way through. That puts the trees at risk. Fires burn bigger and hotter. So we've got a double whammy of the impact of climate change, making the trees more susceptible to disease. The disease makes them more susceptible to fire. Climate dries things out, so fire is easier. Just a whole bunch of things happening here in the Diablo Canyon area. Hope you find that interesting.